Seni bor ke TMC ke jeng bun paj hamau keruan kapnya bad blok saki surok ka MP jong ke TMC kelawan semau keruat mentakas ni batlah saki ke jeng bun paj mentakas ni kat ba kadang ai jeng keren kala ter ting ya ke BJP kat ba umodi ro udang don rali hasulam.
So I was expecting a small meeting, but when I've come here, I find that more than half the vote constituency must be here. So thank you very much. And I have telling you, Trinamool has come here to Meghalaya. People ask us, Trinamool is a party from Bengal. Why have you come to Meghalaya?
Ngawan ini pengadai nak Trinamool Congress kepada nak Kolkata nak West Bengal. Wan kecikli paragi wani why we come here?
And the answer is very simple. We are a national party.
Kali national party.
And Mamta Banerjee has shown how to chase the BJP from West Bengal, and she will help the people of Meghalaya to throw away the BJP from Meghalaya. You saw in Bengal, the BJP tried everything. They had money, they had muscle power, they had Prime Minister, they had Home Minister. We only had one small lady called Mamta Banerjee. But all of them ran away and we won. Have you seen me? Okay. So there are 320 BJP members on that side and there is only 23. But I alone can stand and they all keep quiet. Home Minister Amit Shah came and he said Meghalaya is the most corrupt state. I want to ask the Home Minister, you have run the government here with NPP and UDP for 5 years. You are the most corrupt. The NPP is the most corrupt. You have been fooled for 5 years. Don't be fooled anymore. Do not be fooled anymore. BJP, NPP think people of Meghalaya are fools. They think that for 5 years they have done nothing. They have not done the roads. There is no connectivity from Shillong to Marketwad. They have not made a proper highway. There is a single lane road. They cannot even make a 2-lane road in 5 years. That is why today TMC is fighting and keeping the BJP out. Congress has failed.
Ya kerukom long cok India ke Kongres kala fail pan weng ya ke BJP na India dari tangka Trinamool Congress ke baka BJP kakinyo.
Ask the BJP. Let me tell you what they are planning. The BJP and the RSS are planning to remove Christians from scheduled caste, scheduled tribe status. They don't want Christians to be scheduled tribes. They don't want the benefits of scheduled tribe to be given to Christians and minorities. The BJP is the biggest anti-minority force India has ever seen. And anyone who stays with Mamta will never know the meaning of fear. She gives us all courage. She makes us all believe in ourselves. Every woman is taught by the TMC to be strong and to go ahead. I want to end by telling you that you have seen the NPP. There is nothing new. You have seen the Congress. There is nothing new. You have seen the BJP. There is nothing new. You have seen the UDP. There is nothing new. You have seen the HSDP. There is nothing new. But today we are giving you Saunders Kazi, who is the Trinamool candidate. And he is young, he is capable, and he will bring to you what you need. He will bring to you development. We will get this road to Shillong oppose you.